Hi everyone, welcome to Eat History Now with me, Lisa Shimkus. So, it's a weekend night and you're craving something crunchy, yet tender and savory. Sure, you can get some takeout or drive to the nearest restaurant and sit down, make your order, and stare at the nearest piece of technology. But that takes too long. I'm going to show you how to make some simple fried chicken 70s style. Start by combining the salt, paprika, black pepper, celery seed, and garlic powder, and set it aside while you get your chicken pieces. Take 1 tablespoon of the herb mixture and rub it over the chicken pieces. Then set those aside while you set up your stations. Pour the flour into its own dish. Beat the eggs with the milk in another dish. And combine the breadcrumbs with the remaining herb mixture. Take 1 chicken piece and cover it in the flour. Dip it into the egg wash and lastly, the breadcrumbs. Continue with the rest of the chicken pieces. Then fry your pieces in oil until golden brown and thoroughly cooked, about 20 minutes. And there you have it, some simple 70s fried chicken. I hope you enjoy making yours. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. For more historical dishes like this, visit my blog, like this video, and subscribe for more. And I'll see you next time. Bye!
I never pressed record. I never pressed record. I did that last time. Now I'm just gonna have to be like, and stir. I didn't even press record. I didn't even press record. This is why in the videos they just tell you record everything. Just don't turn it off.